Alright, Amy. Just do with the Big Chungus burger. Just with cheese. It's the customer. Have you seen Big Chungus right here? Yes, it is me. How may I help ya? You stole my crown. I didn't mean to do this. No, don't eat me. I can't for Mr. Big Chungus. Big Chungus was a great boss. See? A great boss. I knew it. The Big Chungus was very stupid. That's not what it looks like, Your Highness. Anyone? Nope. Okay. Oh. Big Chungus, no! Don't worry, Your Highness. I'll find your crown in the Shell City. Robin, what are you doing here? I will let Big Chungus go if you guys get my crown back. You got it. Adios, man.